Go, Bill.
All right, Ace Leak Detection here in the Villages. Once again, we're on a spa, small fiberglass spa, and I wanted to show you this Venturi here. It's actually pulled away from the on the back side of it here. You can clearly see. Look at that big gap right there.
Yeah, keep talking. Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
Very clearly.
Where it's actually pulled away as a result of stress. These pipes are, look at these pipes here, how they're angled downward and they're pulling down on this Venturi fitting here. And that's the reason for this leak, and it's leaking so bad. Well, let me just show you how bad it's leaking. I'll pull this plug out here real quick. That's a leak. Yep. All right. So we're gonna have to replace this Venturi fitting. Clearly. All right. That's that.
Okay, we'll stop the video at that point.